The day for assembly of the Performance 2F motor has finally come. I was eager to see all my machining lessons come together in this masterpiece. But maybe before we move forward with this chapter of the build, I should probably explain how we got here first. Let's back up a little bit. Okay, wait, that's too far, only a year. Alright, fast forward. Yep, stop right about there. Okay, this is the performance motor that we've built. It was blown up and it needed new piston rings. This is truly where this story begins. I bought another project truck and would you know it, the motor was tired and no good like most of these old Toyota Landcruisers. The suggestion to pull it out and build something hot-rodded was introduced to me. I'm not quite sure I knew what went into making something hot-rodded or even what it meant at the time. The idea on paper sounded straightforward. Take an old worn-out Toyota motor and make it better than stock. Easy, right? Well, it sounds simple enough until you're instructed that you'd be doing all the machine work to make it that way. Numerous valuable lessons later, a trophy of sorts began to take shape as the freshly reworked engine components began to transform back into what is called a Performance 2F motor. Now that we're caught up to the present, enjoy the build and stay tuned for when the motor is dropped into my personal FJ60 wagon to see what you can really do.